Hey everyone, Eric with Rocket H. In this video, let's talk about making yourself a lowrider truck. Now, there are multiple ways to do it. This is a way to do it. If you're new to customizing diecast trucks, I'm about to show you the absolute easiest way on the planet to make your truck lower. What am I talking about? On this T800, on the back are the standard DCP driver tires you're going to see on 90% of their trucks. Then they have this second size right here. It's a little smaller in diameter. They actually came out on this Kenworth, but they weren't small enough in diameter to get me the look I want, so I swapped these out for these. Now this is a trailer tire. It's not even a standard truck tire. They are a little wider like you see here, but they again are smaller in diameter than these and smaller in diameter than those. So you can get yourself a lowrider truck on the easy, no problems. You can do this. Go make something awesome. Buy your tires at rockinghfarmtoys.com.